Hey, my name is Lennon Schmuck. I'm doing a video for my chemistry class, CHEM or CHEM1405, and today I'll be going over lab equipment and how to use it correctly. Right here we got a funnel, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. But first I'm gonna tell you why it is important. You use it so you don't spill anything while you're dumping, powder. How to use it is you grab whatever you have of something, and then you just pour it into there, and it usually just, it goes into there, and no spilling, no nothing. This is a balance slash scale, and what it does is it measures the weight or mass of a solid substance. Why it is important? It's important. It ensures the exact ingredients amounts, just like in baking. And in chemistry, it requires the exact weight, so this is important. Right here we have a beaker, and what it does essentially is the little tip right here, it allows for a smooth pour, and there's weights on the side or not weights, there's measurements on the side to make sure you're getting the exact measurement. Why it's important? Because of its wide opening, it's the best piece for the glassware of holding. The last one is a graduated cylinder, but I couldn't get that. But it's usually tall and narrow. It's a glass or it's either glass or a plastic tube marked with measurements on the side, like how it is for the beaker. It's important to get the right measurements and like the accuracy, just like beakers. It gives you more precise measurement and makes sure. All right, so this is salt water, a homogeneous mixture. Why it is homogeneous? Because it's perfectly blended. The liquids are mixed smoothly so that it looks like it's one single liquid, and every drop you take contains the exact same amount of ingredients. Right here we have salt water and vinegar. Why they are homogeneous mixtures is because they're perfectly blended together. The liquids are mixed so smoothly that it looks like they're one single liquid, and every drop you take contains the exact same amount of ingredients for salt water and white vinegar. Right here is cereal with milk, and why it is a heterogeneous mixture is because they will never mix together, and if they get left sitting for too long, the cereal and the milk will separate. So yeah. Right here we have aluminum foil, and why it is an element is because it's made up of only one single atom. No extra atoms are in it, and so it is only one element. Right here is table salt, and it is made up of different elements chemically locked in together, which is why it is a compound. Salt is made up of sodium and chlorine glued together, and you cannot separate them unless you use a chemical reaction.